I left town for a few days and came home to this. While I was gone, they installed the automatic cover. They started regrading the entire backyard. And when I got home, I can actually see this project coming together. And the crazy part is I wasn't even here for any of it. But fortunately, my cameras were rolling. So today we're gonna see exactly how they installed this auto cover and how they started to transform this construction site into something that finally resembles a backyard. Welcome back to DadBuilt. So I took a little family vacation. We spent a few days at the beach and I missed most of the construction that happened this week. But luckily my cameras were rolling the whole time. And when I got home, I was surprised at how much had changed. Check it out. Starting with the auto cover here. This is one of those upgrades that you don't fully appreciate until you see it in person. We decided to go with the auto cover for several reasons, namely safety, but it also adds a ton of convenience by helping to keep debris out of the pool, and it's also going to help us save on energy by providing better heat retention. So they installed the cover housing when they dug the pool, and this week they brought in the motor and the actual cover. They were able to get everything up and running quickly. They installed the cover fabric, the drive mechanism, the motor, and everything else that makes it go. The result looks great. I love the ability to cover and uncover the pool with the press of a button. It really gives this pool a high-end feel. After the auto cover, they moved on to regrading, which means redistributing this huge pile of dirt back into the yard. To do this, they brought back the skid steer. I'm pretty sure this was the same one that got stuck in the mud a couple episodes back. It's nice to see that huge dirt pile finally gone. I can look out over the yard and I start to see the finished shape before we fix the irrigation system and bring in the new sod. So you can see they put the dirt over here. And they're starting to rebuild the shape of the yard. And wow, you can tell now with that dirt pile redistributed, look at how much of a hill that creates in the yard. Worth it though for the pool. So yeah, all of this was just dirt in one big pile here, and they used the skid steer and they brought it all back here. So they worked really hard on getting the yard regraded, which looks really nice, but there was one last surprise waiting for me when I got home, and it's this, the Challenger outdoor kitchen system. Check this thing out. While I was gone, they built this kitchen cabinetry system out here. You can see it's got the cutouts for the grill there and the griddle over here. Those are gonna get installed later, but man, check this thing out. It's totally weather resistant. It's got a metal top. It's metal cabinetry, water resistant, weatherproof. You've got the gas line coming in back there. It's got all kinds of drawer space, and storage. You've got a cabinet under each of the grill cabinets. In the center here, you've got a drawer and trash can, which will be great to have when you're cooking outside. all the way over here, more cabinets, more drawer space. This thing looks really sharp. Up to this point, the focus has all been on installing the pool, but bringing in the outdoor kitchen really changes that feel to starting to build that backyard out. The cabinets are designed for outdoor use, they're weather resistant, and they're specifically built to support outdoor cooking equipment. The feature that really sold me was the fact that it's portable. If we ever decide to move, I can take this kitchen with me, and that's just something you can't do with a traditional masonry outdoor kitchen. Although after putting in this pool, I don't think I'm going anywhere anytime soon. Another good benefit is that the layout can evolve over time. If I ever want to change the setup, add storage, swap appliances, it's a lot easier than tearing apart a built-in structure. So the pool might be the centerpiece of the backyard, but this outdoor kitchen is going to be where people gather. That's going to do it for this episode. It was a great week of progress on this pool construction project, but the best part about it was I didn't even have to be here. I love the way this looks. It's all coming together so nicely. Make sure you check out the channel for the DadBuilt pool series. We've got a lot more exciting stuff coming up. This project is not done. We need to get the yard fixed. We need to get the irrigation done. And let's not forget about the hot tub. We need to get that up, rewired, and running. And we're gonna do all of that this summer on the DadBuilt pool series. You don't wanna miss it.